it's been about a month since we did the last Pretty Fun video, and it did pretty well, so I figured let's do a part 2. This time we're gonna do a beat kind of like the song Ice Cream. I just recently heard that song for the first time, and I really like that pluck kind of vibe in that beat. So we're gonna do something similar, and I'm gonna show you how to make it from scratch. Anyway, let's get right into it. So the BPM for most of Pretty Fun songs is about 140 to about 160. For this beat, we're gonna do something closer to 160. Let's do 163. And let's start off with a pluck. I'm just gonna go to my Untitled kit. I like this pluck right here, clean. And all you want to do with one shots is just go over here to open the envelope and put the attack all the way down. That's pretty much it. Then you can also mess around with the decay and sustain and all these, but I don't really mess around with these too much. Usually just the release, and the release is just like how long it plays after you let go of the note. You know what I mean? I've said it like a million times. I'll keep saying it till it sticks. But anyway, now we're ready to go. So we're just gonna go into our piano roll, and I'm just gonna change the scale to a major scale. So let's do C major, and I think it's like something like this. So let's just take these and pitch them down, kind of use them as like bass notes. Just gonna adjust these. So I'm just gonna clone this original pluck right here, and we're gonna add a little top line, and then I'm gonna change the sound out after. I think what I'll do is I'll copy these notes right here and just pitch them up. Copy these two, and then just like add a few notes. Maybe I'll move these over a little bit. Okay, let's change that sound out now. I kind of want some like a synthy kind of sound. Let's try to Glock it. Make this pluck a bit sharper. I'm gonna make this Glock. And I'm gonna copy this first pattern right here. I'm gonna try making some chords. So let's just pitch this up. Hold Control up arrow to pitch it up. And let's try making a chord. And we're just doing simple like major and minor chords. Just Control B. Take these top notes out. Let's try extending them. Let's take these chords right here and extend them too. So just hold Control and Shift, and then you can select multiple notes. Just try making these two notes slide. So one way you could do that is just double click the first note and change the note color, and then double click the note that you want to slide to and change it to the same color, and then click right here to make it a slide note. And now only these two notes will slide. This will just be a regular chord. You can also make it more complex if you change the color of this note right here, say another color, and then we want to add a slide note right here. Let's change this note color to the same color as the bottom note, and now this will be its own slide and this will be a separate slide. It's kind of cool. I wasn't even planning on doing that, but I'm going to take these sounds, just add them to the mixer real quick. So just click right here, click and drag, and then hit Control L. And then I want to add shaper box to that synth kind of one shot that we just added. There's this one preset I made. It's like a kind of like a gate preset, and it just sounds cool. the second pluck we added, I need to touch it up somehow. Probably change the sound. Yeah, I just feel like it doesn't fit. Let's just try to rearrange it. I don't know about the sound. I don't mind it, but I just think like this sounds way better without it. You know, let's go into Hive and let's get another pluck. Let's get a pluck in here and then just layer our first pluck we added. Just turn off the reverb. It needs one more sound, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start the drums first, and then I'm gonna add it once I have like the drum kind of down. Let's get clap. Yeah, let's just get a hi-hat. Let's add a few hi-hat rolls. Let's do something like that for right now. Just keep it pretty simple. A crash, but let's offset it a little bit. Okay, we need an 808. We need an 808. Can't go wrong with the Tim Hortons long. You know what I mean? Like this is like the best 808 I've ever made in my life. We're just gonna follow our root notes. Keep it chill. Another pluck. We need another pluck. We need that like top line. We're just like spazzes. Okay, I'm thinking of some stabs. I'm thinking some stabs would hit. We're gonna put the release all the way down. Like if you notice, like his sounds are always like super sharp. So just remember to like take like the delay and the reverb off. So just copy our OG chords right here. Control C, Control V that hoe. Since these slide notes only work with one shots and like stock FL plugins, pretty much have to like change it to regular notes when you use like regular VSTs, you know. Get rid of these notes right here, these in between notes. Just hit Control L and let's just extend these right here. And then let's hit Control 8 to select everything and then Alt U. And then we're gonna like chop it like this. Let's pitch it up. Try to add some sort of shaper box to that. End up adding some sort of like synth or something. Like it's still missing something. I'm just gonna make a glide real quick. So just go over here, turn this on. Let's put it to like 30. Get a counter snare. Yeah, let's just arrange this.
Underdogs.
We're gonna loop this back around, but here let's add a different 808.
Underdogs.
So we're just gonna bounce the sound right here, just because if I ever go back to this project, it doesn't save the shaper box preset for some reason. So just remember to export your shaper box melodies. Let's try a little freestyle. Yeah, I didn't really say much this video, and I kind of went back and forth a lot. So hopefully I can clip it in like a decent way. Just kind of have to lock in.
I got diamonds you can see. Fuck rehab, it's a dream. Smoke good tree. 1, 2 days under me. Saying you my bro, you my enemy. Stepping out on me, ain't shit to me. I got your hoe under me, enemy. Fuck that, I want AP. Switch it up like 80. She want the X on me, I buy XRP. Yo, real rip, bro. I'm up off the XRP. You know about that? X on me, I buy XRP. How would I pay like me? You gotta go kind of like a retard for this type shit. I got diamonds you can see. Fuck rehab, it's a dream. Smoke good tree. Ain't shit to me. I got your hoe under me. Saying you my bro, you my enemy. Fuck that, I want AP. Switch it up like 80. She want the
Underdogs.
I got diamonds you can see. Fuck rehab, it's a dream. Smoke good tree. Ain't shit to me. I got your hoe under me. She want the X on me. I buy XRP. Popping up a pill on me. Fuck that, I want AP.
Alright boys, that's a wrap. I hope you guys liked the video. I feel I pretty much have his voice down. It's just like the bars, I can't really keep the flow going for that long. I don't really like freestyle unless I'm like making a video. So I really have to get my reps in, you know what I mean? This is like my practice. You guys seem to enjoy the freestyle, so you know I'm gonna keep doing it. Anyway, if you guys want any of my kits, links are down below. Go get my Surge XT bank. Go get my drum kit, my loop kit. We also have a free loop kit, the Christmas loop kit. Go get that. There's like 30 loops or something like that. So make sure to check it out. Also, go sub to my personal channel or my second channel. Links to be down below. I'm gonna be posting more like full-length cookups there. So if you guys want to see that, tap in. And we also have a beat battle coming up February 8th. So that's next Saturday. Not this Saturday, but next Saturday. So tap in. We got some kit prizes, some cash prizes. I think we're gonna give away some merch too. Also, if you guys want to get some merch, we have the new merch in. I'll toss up like a little picture right here just because I'm not wearing it right now. But we have hoodies and long sleeves, so check them out. Help support the channel, you know what I mean? Get your underdogs swag in. Thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Take care.
Underdogs.